Good morning, everyone. I'm Prasad. A system can read an SAP dump and still miss the real problem. This is the gap I wanted to test. In my previous experiment, I tested AI against practical SAP scenarios, not a generic questions at all. A real SAP style work, ST22 dump analysis, a BKPF documentation interpretation, CDS view generation, and the result was interesting. AI was able to explain what happened. When the technical evidence was visible, it could read the dump. It could identify the failing object. It could also explain the error message. It could describe table fields, code logic, and possible causes. In many cases, the first explanation was useful. But SAP work does not stop at the first explanation. That is where the real gap appeared. Because in SAP, knowing what failed is only the first layer. The deeper question is why it failed in this landscape. Was it a code issue? Was it a configuration issue? Was it a master data issue? Was it a release specific behavior? Was it caused by an integration dependency? Or was it safe to fix logically? Or would that fix create a new problem in finance, billing, reporting, and downstream system? AI can summarize evidence, but SAP experts understand consequences. Take an example of ST22 dump. The model may correctly say that a field is missing, a method is failed, or a conversation issue occurred. But a senior SAP expert asks different question. Which business process was running? Which user group was affected? Is this a one-time data issue or a repeatable design issue? Has this already happened in another client or system? Is there SAP note? Is the object standard, custom, or enhanced? And most importantly, what is the safest correction path? Now take an example of BKPF. AI can explain that BKPF is an accounting document header table. It can describe company code, fiscal year, document number, and posting date. That is useful. But an SAP expert understands the business meaning. Why was the document posted? Which process created it? What is the impact on reconciliation? Is the posting linked to billing, collections, clearing, or revenue recognition? Can we reverse it? Should we reverse it? Or should we fix the upstream process that created it? That difference matters because enterprise SAP decisions are not only technical decisions, they are business decisions, they are audit decisions, they are operational decisions, and sometimes they are regulatory decisions as well. The same applies to CDS generation. AI can generate CDS view that looks correct. Syntax may look correct. The annotations may look convincing. The explanation may sound confident. But the real question is whether it fits the target SAP release, released APIs, authorization models, performance expectation, and clean code direction. That is why I do not see AI as a replacement for SAP expertise. I see it as an accelerator, a strong assistant, a faster reader of evidence, a useful explainer, a good first draft generator, but not the final owner of SAP decision. The architecture pattern should be clear. Let AI read the evidence. Let deterministic checks validate the fact. Let SAP expert own the judgment. And the governance decide what could be executed. That is the practical model. Artificial intelligence can help us move faster, but speed without context creates risks. The future is not SAP expert versus AI. The future is SAP expert using AI with better evidence, strong validation, and clear control. My takeaway is simple. AI can explain what happened. SAP experts still need to explain why it happened. And architecture decides what should happen next. Thank you.